how to remove virus from your iPhone and potential signs of malware or on your one is sudden drops in battery life, and the other one is iPhone is getting hot for no reason, apps frequently crashing, random pop-up messages, sudden increase in data or call uses. And to remove this virus, the first workaround is go to setting app of your iPhone, tap on Safari and clear browser and data history. Tap on clear history and website data from your Safari browser. If your default browser is Chrome, then apply same method on your Chrome browser. The second method to fix this issue is again restart your iPhone. Simply power off and restart your iPhone. This will also helpful in removing virus from your iPhone. The next workaround is restore your iPhone from backup. If you have already taken a backup of your iPhone, then simply restore it, and otherwise go to settings, type on your name, go to iCloud, scroll down, tap on iCloud backup and backup this phone. Turning on backup, and once backup is completed, tap on backup now and take a backup of your iPhone. Thereafter go back on settings page, again tap on settings, here go to tap on general tab and scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Choose erase all contents and settings, and once again go back to your back of iPhone which you have recently backed up your iPhone, and from where you can restore your all data from here. In my case, no any backup is available now. Restore your backup.